Good morning, everyone. So we are going to see today about the Mendeleev advantages. Already I have taken in the previous class. Let me once again explain you. Merits of Mendeleev. Merits and demerits will be asked in 5-mark question. So what is the merits? So systematic study. So as we discussed earlier, the Mendeleev made the study of 63 element known at that time in a systematic way. He arranged the element in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Then what is its fundamental atomic property he chose is atomic masses. So he arranged the known 63 element in the table with the increasing order of the atomic masses. And the next one, he corrected the atomic masses of some element known at that time which were being given the wrong atomic mass. So he were able to correct the atomic masses of some element based upon its position in the table. Then the next one, prediction of the new element. So while arranging the element, he left some gap. Even why he left some gap, he thought that element will not come there. So he predicted even the properties of that element, where he left gap. So what is it? While arranging the 63 known element, he left some gap. So Mendeleev even predicted the property of that undiscovered element. So what are all, and he has given the Sanskrit word for remembering Eka boron. Down the boron he left the gap. So what he has given, he predicted, after predicting the property, he has given that Eka boron, Eka aluminium, Eka silicon. Eka boron, later it was discovered as scandium. Eka aluminium, later it was discovered as gallium. Eka silicon, it was discovered as aluminium. So very important question. And the last one, see, related to this property, this point, they may also ask you one question. So position of the noble gas. Let me explain this first. So position of the noble gas. So the noble gases were discovered very later. And what was his Mendeleev best achievement is that later what the noble gas was achieved, what the noble gas were discovered, were able to insert that element in the group without disturbing the previous elements. So were discovered very late, when these gases were, they could be able to place in the new group without disturbing the existing one. So with this, what question can be asked? What is the reason why the noble gases were discovered very late? We know that the noble gases are inert. They could not react with the other element, and the noble gases inert, and they are very rare in the environment. So it was very difficult to, it became very late to find that noble gases. So they may ask question from this. What was the reason for the noble gas to discover late? So for that, what is the answer? They are unreactive, they are inert, they were very rare in the environment. Thank you, children. Kindly copy down or take a snap, and limitation will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.